Hi, I'm Madhuvanti Pereira, and in this video I'm going to give a demonstration about my research. And my research is evaluating the efficiency of large language models in providing culturally appropriate general medical advice in Sinhala. And I'm going to discuss about the introduction, literature review, methodology, and the demonstration about my research prototype. And first of all, I will give an introduction about my chatbot. And in Sri Lanka, is mainly used language is Sinhala, and some rural populations haven't English knowledge and language barriers, and also rural area populations lacks adequate health care professionals. Therefore, I thought to develop a chatbot for give medical advices in Sinhala language. And this project is provide health information without a doctor channeling. And when I talk about a research gap, in this research, language barriers is a gap because limited resources and training data sets in Sinhala, and cultural sensitivity, and ensuring that medical advices align with the expectations, and large language models for low resources settings with minimal infrastructures and user satisfactions are research gaps. And research questions are like, can a large language model given a singer provide to general medical advisors in culturally, and how it elaborate our responsiveness given by the chatbot in Sinhala to the users, and what would be the chief technologies and language hurdles of adopting large language models for low resources languages such as Sinhala, and to what extent are users pleased by the operations and efficiency and usefulness of the chatbot respectively, and also is it possible with a chatbot to maintain the ethical and safe approach toward the communications of medical informations. And this research discuss with all these research questions. And next I'm going to talk about a literature review. And in Clark and Bailey, AI in healthcare has been developed significantly, and especially on chatbot for the first health informations and consultations. And Fitzpatrick is show how such tools enhance literally by allowing customers to find or retrieve current informations. And also latest AI for healthcare is relatively good in these languages, but low resources languages in different general health. Josie is the most people in Sri Lanka has problem of the scarcity of health related informations technology resources available in the local languages, and it is a low resource language which have very little textual data, and suffer from the lack of AI. And now in 2024, it's a low applicability for users with a different cultural and linguistic background than the training sets. These issues are convenience for the model due to the reduced efficiency. And Veera Parameshwara in 2022, a large language models including but not limited to deep generative models designed by authors like OpenAI can help fill language barriers in getting general information and casual assistance. And these studies demonstrate that both accuracy lower in English language, and next one is a lack of specific training language is a definitive languages and the absence of cultural reference. And this Sinhala language particularly as far as syntax and not similar to the number of large language model. And Ahmad 2023, some techniques like transfer learning and multi-guineral pre-training, for examples, have potentials to make AI more deployable in low resource languages, and these can improve the models by offering a way of transferring the knowledge. And according to the Clark and Bailey, when referring to the applications of chatbots of healthcare, like using AI for recommendations of medical advices, Mosifari and colleagues suggest that content and use of app improvement of health literary level, and its content filters and layers of safety should be imposed a healthcare chatbot, and that the tool should provide information which is ethical and cultural sensitivity. And according to the Navid, along with the ethical considerations when implementing the healthcare chatbots, emphasize on users acceptance. It's like AI solutions in the health domains depend on the relevant and credibility of the chatbot in health domain. And in Fitzpatrick's approach includes issues to do with the cultural orientations of content. And Lieberman and Sai propose that AI models adapted to local contextual factors enhance interactions, quality, and facilities health behavior modifications. And Clark and Bailey determined works in high resources languages identify the possibilities of using AI to increase health, like low resource languages point out the difficulties of training large language models for languages with limited data sets. And in methodology part, in methodology, Sinhala language text will be collected from the websites, health materials, and this collected data languages model helps to identify possible answers on health related queries in Sinhala. My research methodology explores the process to create and deploy so it's access an AI driven medical chatbot with culture relevant. And also I'm aimed to integrate the NLP and the information retrieval methods to promote the use of AI based chatbot for delivering appropriate medical advices to Sinhala users. And also the response of this model created based on large language models such as OpenAI FAISS. FAISS is a Facebook AI similarity search. It's used to find relevant medical documents. And this large language models based chatbot delivering the medical guidance through the Sinhala language. And large language model based chatbot provide valid medical guidance in Sinhala language. And this medical chatbot only gives harmless and easy health advices, and it's not give medicines like prescriptions. And also this chatbot done on user satisfactions feedback gathered from the users thoughts questionnaires based on the responses. And now I'm going to show my developed chatbot, and this is the UI interface in my chatbot. There is a name in my chatbot Sinhala mid chat, and this text was used for the ask questions, and you can use this button to send send the message, and if you want to remove your message, you can use this clear button. And this is basically I used Python for the backend and React for the front end, and also I used OpenAI and FAIS. Previously, as I told, FAIS is a Facebook AI similarity search. It's used to find a relevant medical documents. And also in this chatbot, if we give a questions in Sinhala, it converted to the English and generate the response in English. After that, English response converted into the Sinhala and show it on your choice on our chatbot. For that, I use deep translator import from the Google Translator. And this chatbot receives Sinhala users request which enter its English processing stage prior to the OpenAI analysis. And also the chatbot translates the English response through the process that create Sinhala outputs using Google Translator API and the it's did real-time translation. In implementation part, user inputs medical queries in Sinhala in user interface, and also it pass it to the NLP processing. In NLP processing part, it translates Sinhala to English, and in backend search FAISS based on document and passes context to the response generator, and finally generated response in English. And after that, generated response pass to the NLP processing and translate it English to Sinhala. And finally, use receives AI generated medical advices in Sinhala in user interface. As I defined greetings as like Aibowan, hello, Subudhasanak, and Subadavasak, like that. I will show that. When I send any greetings like Aibowan, hello, Subudhasanak, and Subadavasak, it's automatically reply as Aibowan, Mama ඔබේ වෛද්‍ය සහායකයා. මට සාමාන්‍ය වෛද්‍ය තොරතුරු සහ ප්‍රශ්න සඳහා උදව් කළ හැකිය. මට ඔබට කෙසේ උදව් කළ හැකිද? Like that. And if we want to ask questions, I will say when I give a pain or like any disease, it's automatically it's give that medical it's give that medical informations, not a prescriptions like medicines, and it's only give instructions like ඔබේ කකුලේ ඉරිතැලීමක් තිබෙනවා වහම වෛද්‍ය ප්‍රතිකාර ලබා ගන්න, like that. In every end of the message, I use this one, වෛද්‍ය උපදෙස් සඳහා සෑම විටම වෛද්‍යවරයෙකු හමුවන්න, because I in this chatbot only give the instructions, not medicines and prescriptions like that. Therefore I use that sentence, use this every reply messages, and only gives advices as I told. And previously, as I told, I use FAISS like Facebook AI similarity search. In FAISS have some limitations, and some diseases informations are not there. If it is failovers, it change to the open AI and give medical responses. Therefore this process will not fail anytime. And this is a prototype of my Sinhala MedChat like chatbot. And also when I talk about the evaluation techniques, it's accessing how accurate and contextually relevant the chatbot responses are, as accuracy and advisors, and cultural sensitivities such as analyzing the cultural appropriateness of the chatbot advisors. Another one is measuring how detailed and comprehensible the chatbot's answers are, like elaborations and clarity, and users feedbacks, which is user satisfactions with the chatbot's functionalities and efficiency. And this is my medical chatbot, and this is a demonstrations about my medical chatbot. And thank you.